Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the world of culinary excellence with the Vkoocy Series pots and pans set, a 6-piece non-stick ceramic cookware set that promises a tasty and safe cooking experience. This set includes a 9.5-inch frying pan, an 11-inch frying pan, a 1.5-quart saucepan with a lid, and a 5-quart stockpot with a lid, all designed with a stunning granite pattern to bring a touch of nature into your kitchen. Crafted with non-toxic ceramic and free from harmful chemicals like PFAs, PFOA, PFOS, and PTFE, this cookware ensures effortless food release and easy cleanup, making it perfect for frying, searing, roasting, and simmering your favorite dishes. The high magnetic conductive stainless steel base allows compatibility with all cooktops, including electric, halogen, ceramic, gas, induction, glass, and even the oven, while the extended and thickened bottom design ensures quick and even heating. With a rivetless interior to prevent snags and food buildup, cleaning is a breeze. Simply wipe with a paper towel or rinse with water, and it's even dishwasher safe for added convenience. Not only is this cookware set a modern and glossy centerpiece for your dinner table, but it also serves as an excellent heat retainer, making it a versatile companion from meal prep to family gatherings. At Vkoocy, we prioritize your health and satisfaction, so if you encounter any issues, our dedicated team is ready to assist you, ensuring your cooking experience is as delightful as the meals you create. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.